pump. The pump on this guy here, just buried. That guy is just buried. What is this? I can't even see what that is. Another GTX or something, I don't know. It does have a pump lift on it though. SPI. Bolts are not present. Well, 1990. Oh, that's an early one right there. Jesus. Ah, fuck. What the fuck is that? It's fucking bushes. Fucking thing. This is awful. Ah, Jesus. This is fucking terrible. Fucking awful. God damn. SPI. There's a... Mosquitoes are terrible back here. This one even has a battery in it. Another one. Another old GT. No pump. Oh, here's a 92 XP. Steering cables, but no. Oh, down there. There's a machine. 96. It could be a 97 XP800. That's a beautiful thing. Right there. That's your nozzle. Ow. Goddamn bushes. Ah, that's nice. It's a nice nozzle. What you got in here? Oh, I like that. That's a nice machine right there. That's got a choke cable. It's just fucking hard to get in there, man. I'm not getting so many goddamn thorn bushes, man. There's a 95 XP. I love those machines. 95. Yeah. 95. These guys are all picked clean. Now, what one is that? That's got to be a 90. SP. Choke cable? Nope. Some Polaris. Tiger Shark. Nobody wants those. Tiger Shark. Another, that's an SPX, I think. That's a beautiful machine. I'd like to own one of these. This model one day, yeah. It's a beauty. That one still has a pump on it. And an engine. Oh, there's a lot of stuff still left in this guy. Some else too. A choke cable? Yep. Choke cable right here. Yeah, where? Oh shit. Right here. Yep, that would work. It's got a good choke cable. That's the throttle. Where's the choke? Oh, you didn't cut it, did you? You fucking cut it. Damn it. Look at this one. There's a... Goddamn mosquitoes are terrible. This one still has a pump too. It's this pump. I'd love to tear into some of these. Oh boy. Not sure what's happening there, but she still has a choke cable, but I ain't digging into this guy. Wow. No thank you. This is Tiger Sharko Polaris. Polaris with no pump. But choke cable, negative. Negative on the choke cable. Looks like a good head. This one's still got some good parts left on her. Still got the throttle cable. Curbs. God damn, I gotta get out of here. Goddamn bugs. Jesus. These bugs are just awful. Just negative on the choke cable. I'm sure I could get one if I really tried, but not looking at machine right there. Goddamn mosquitoes, Jesus. Fuel tank.